All right. Uh, just a little lecture on exclusive OR gate. So as you have already seen in the lab, exclusive OR gate is in like this truth table. Uh, A, B, XOR 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. I also call this gate double sawari pe pabandi gate. Two people cannot sit on the motorcycle. Double sawari pe pabandi. जैसे ना कि अगर 911 का अगर सीन जो है वो पाकिस्तान में होता, यार ये कौन है? माज, आपने अपनी लैब जो है ना लेक्चर के बाद सबमिट करवा दें, वेट करें। लैब का टाइम अभी काफी पड़ा हुआ है, ठीक है। So exclusive OR gate is called the double सवारी पे पाबंदी गेट इन अ वे। जैसा वो कहते हैं ना कि अगर 911 का वाकया पाकिस्तान में होता तो क्या होना था, उन्होंने कहना था पूरे मुल्क में 2 माह के लिए डबल सवारी पे पाबंदी लगा देनी थी, लोग लगा दी जानी थी। तो डबल सवारी पे पाबंदी इज वेरी कॉमन। पर्सन ए कैन सिट and person B is not sitting, then the motorcycle can go. If person A is not sitting, B is sitting, it can go. If both of them are sitting, it cannot go. It's a simple complex game because if you see this, this is actually X, sorry, A not B, and this is A B not, and dono ka or. That is comes to be X or is equal to A not B dot A B not. And when you implement that, it comes out to be like this. Uh, mhm. So this is not a simple circuit. It's kind of this circuit. So it is the symbol for this is this A exclusive or B. So that's already you have seen this. Why I want to show you is that you can also uh, uh, take the um, uh, you can also take uh, a complete dual of a truth table also. Interesting. Dual of a truth table. So dual of a truth table would be uh, A will stand as A. So 0 will convert it to 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And this term, which otherwise in XOR was uh, A complement B complement will now be equal to इसका क्या होगा A complement और B, और ये क्या होगा A और B complement, और ये क्या होगा A plus B, और ये क्या होगा A के complement और B complement. So you can take a table of this. In this case, exclusive OR comes out to be equal to A complement plus B into A plus B complement. Now this dot is, as we saw previously, there was a plus sign between these two. Here it will be dot sign. Now this comes out to be equal to, if you open this up, it comes out to be equal to A complement B complement plus B complement cancel out AB. So this is in fact complement of this, which is 1 over here. Complement of this. So basically, this is equal to this. So this is, as you notice, there is a difference between this shown here and exclusive R is equal to this shown here, A complement B plus AB complement. इन दोनों में क्या नजर आ रहा है आपको डिफरेंस? वैसे ये सिंपल एक्सक्लूसिव और कॉम्प्लीमेंट इसके बराबर आ जाता है, बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस here? Here is that it is shown into what is known as uh, sums of product इसको कहते हैं. हालांकि ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, एंड है, लेकिन इसको SOP फॉर्म कहते हैं, सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म. Here it is called uh, product of sums form. So there are two different ways of from truth table. You can either get this duality, simple duality. This is sum of product. This is product of sum. So that's one thing. About this, I wanted to teach you what is these two things. Another, the symbol for exclusive NOR is, what is the symbol for exclusive NOR? It is called exclusive NOR. Since exclusive OR is this, which is arrow going inward, what will be exclusive NOR? वो मैं आपने देखा होगा ना magnetic fields में a plus sign with a circle shows arrow going into the paper. So what is exclusive NOR? Anyone?
A dot.
A dot. Very good. A dot coming out of the paper. This is exclusive NOR. So many books don't even talk about this exclusive NOR. They just talk about XR. But you know, somewhere you will notice this symbol also. So I just thought maybe I can explain that to you also. This is exclusive NOR. And Another important component of this exclusive OR gate is this part of the exclusive OR gate symbol, and that can be shown something like this. This is a control, which is A. Very useful use of exclusive OR gate. So you have a switch in your hand. There is another a signal coming in, which is signal B. When signal A is zero, which is the case over here, B input zero होगी तो output be zero. B input one as output be one. However, if you turn this switch A to one, what will happen? So if B is zero, output will be one. If B is one, output will be zero. So this is called a gate that that has a control for inversion. So controlled inverter आप कह सकते हैं इसको, controlled inverter. So very important uh, use of this controlled inverter. So many times, especially when you talk about mathematical addition, subtraction, you need this controlled inverter. Now, when you are zero, output is going as such. B is following the output is following the B when this is zero. When this is one, output is following the B but in inverted form. Very useful circuit. So these are just the background of exclusive OR gate. Very useful exclusive OR gate. Just 5 minutes more for a universal gate. Universal gate, basically there are three basic Boolean operations. Uh, they are or, and not. So if any single gate can do all of these, that is a inverter. So that we talked about a NAND gate, for example, is a universal gate. We can make an inverter if we connect both input together, and if this is A into A, this will be A complement. So we can make inverter using NAND gate. Once we have an inverter, this is another symbol of an inverter. Don't draw it like this. NAND gate doesn't have one input. Don't draw it like this. Many books may come across, but I don't like this to be drawn like that. So don't draw it like this. मार्कर और देना यार कोई, ये तरफ खाली हो गए हैं मार्कर, ड्राई होते बड़ी जल्दी खत्म हो जाते हैं मार्कर, क्या वजह है? So similarly, if I do this, I am using NAND gate. This NAND gate I don't want to draw here because this is equal to NAND gate. So once I have drawn inverter using NAND gate, I can go ahead and use inverters as such, because I know this inverter is made like this. This inverter is made like this. So once you show that this can be made an inverter, you can then proceed with an inverter symbol, because this is what this is. Now what is this equal to? A, A. This will be A complement. This will be B complement. If you write this equation over here, this will be uh, if this is equal to, let's say this is equal to x, this is equal to y, this is equal to x, y, NAND, which by De Morgan helps here, this is equal to x complement plus y complement. But but x is equal to a complement and y is equal to b complement, so I can put this equal to uh, output is equal to a complement complement plus b complement complement. So double complementation brings this equal to a, and double complementation bring this equal to b. So this is b. So what is this gate here? Sometime it is drawn like this. This is equivalent to OR gate. So if you have an AND gate and you invert all the inputs and the output, if you have an AND gate, you invert all the inputs and output, you get an OR. So very interesting. So this is another symbol for OR. Many advanced level books, don't draw this OR symbol. They just draw this. So when someone asks you, what is this gate? What is this symbol for? फिर थोड़ा zoom करें इस पे. If someone comes and asks you what is this symbol for, इसको आपने ये नहीं कहना inverted NAND output inverted input NAND. No, this is not inverted input NAND. This is basically an OR gate. So that means using inverter, you can using NAND gate we can make inverter. Using these two inverters and an AND gate we can make an OR gate. And similarly, uh, थोड़ा और इधर करें. Similarly, uh, using an AND gate and an inverter that is over here, which is also made up of NAND gates, I can make A, B. This is A, B, because this is A, B. Complement, a complement again will be A, B. Complement will be equal to A. So that means using NAND gate, I can make an inverter, I can make an OR gate, and I can make an AND gate. So this is AND gate. ये इन्वर्टर इस बबल को खत्म कर देता है. So basically what you see, if AND gate भी बन गया, OR gate भी बन गया, और inverter भी बन गया, so we have all the three basic operations of the Boolean algebra. So this is a universal gate. So basically, the complete set is just or and not. If you have and not, you could have anything made. Or by duality, if you have or and not, you have a complete set of variables. You can any circuit you can implement using this and this. So you may come across memories that are NAND memories, and you have may have come across memories that are NOR memories. All the circuit, a fabrication fab probably only can make very nice NAND gates. So complete microprocessors and everything you see Core i7, Core i5, they may be only made up of these a single NAND gate. So it's easy to design something, a NAND gate, and not so एक फैक्ट्री में ये सिर्फ एक ही चीज बनाती हो तो ज्यादा आसान है बजाय इसके कि वो तरह तरह की चीजें बनाती हो. तो NAND गेट बनाते हैं तो you can make same can be seen for the NOR gate also. So that's about this universality of the gate. And then homework assignment, probably you can check if exclusive OR gate is a universal gate. चेक करें जरा इसको, आपने देख के सोच के बताना है. अगली क्वेश्चन अगली लैब में मैं पूछूंगा आप लोगों से कि आपने चेक किया या नहीं. So that's the universality of a gate. So just remember that this symbol over here, we will come across this symbol quite a lot. And this symbol is actually NOR gate symbol, not no NAND or something. And that is due to this De Morgan theorem. De Morgan theorem ना होता तो ये चीज ना हो सकती. Thanks to De Morgan theorem. तो De Morgan theorem वरना ये NAND से सारी दुनिया के प्रोसेसर या NOR से ना बनते, मुश्किल हो जाना था. लेकिन सिर्फ एक आईसी से सारा कुछ बन जाता है, वो है NAND. तो नाउ फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन यू वॉन्ट हैव एनी एक्सक्यूज के लैब में जी फला एंड गेट नहीं है, फला और गेट नहीं है. इफ यू हैव NAND गेट्स plentiful of them, you can make anything that we are going to study in this course. Anything, including microprocessor, including anything. So that what we are going to make in this circuit. And this whole course can be made up of just NAND gates or NOR gates. So that's all for today's lecture. Continue with your lab.